Hey guys, it's that time again, and it's decision time. And also, I'm trying a clip-on mic, so if this doesn't work, I'll really not very happy. Tonight is decision time, and I'm going for untouched chicken, cooking sauce, Homepride. Mostly tomato puree, 70%. A sweet and smoky tomato sauce for chicken. A lot of sugar, barley, no vinegar. I'm not liking these. White soy sauce. More sugar. Modified maize starch. A sugary thing in it. Onion powder, 0.5%. Garlic powder, 0.5%. Salt and smoke flake. I was looking forward to this at the start, but I'm not looking forward to it so much. Let's see, about 100 grams. Fat, well, there's not much fat. Very little. The carbohydrates, that's very high. Sugar's very high. 20 grams, that's like 2 tablespoons in it. Oh well. 4 portions, so it's got 4 portions, 485 grams. So I'm going to do it right, and that's 120 grams. Although I might fling most of it probably. Depends if it's nice or not. Fat saturated is very low. Because it says medium amber. That seems very high. One of your 5 a day. And that's chicken sauce. Right, this is like an old brand thing. I might try these actually. American. Why not try our element? As easy as 1, 2, 3. Preheat oven. Put your chicken in. 1 rasher of bacon. Place into 15 litre Charlotte oven. Cook for 15 minutes. Not very long. Cook. Yeah, you cook it for 25 minutes with the sauce. Of course, I'm getting the microwave. Okay? Do not use if safety button can be pushed down. That's the seal, you see. 1 of 5 a day. Okay, let's go, guys. Okay, give it a quick taste. I just spilled it over my clip-on mic. How bad, how unlucky could I get? Yeah, it tastes kind of sweet. That sort of smoky taste that you would expect. I'll do this time. Yeah, sweet and smoky. That's how it tastes. I think it's going to be nice, but I've got concerns about the health issues. Okay, I've got my mixed vegetables. I believe these are from Aldi. Aldi don't cut their carrots as small as Sainsbury's. Although they do cut them quite a bit. In the old days they used to be strips, but now they used to be like that, the carrot. They definitely cut it. Just not as much as Sainsbury's. And I bought some diced white onions, frozen. I like that these are small and diced. I'm going to try tasting one. Just too frozen at the moment. Okay. I'm just looking. 80 grams of this product will provide one of your 5 daily portions of fruit and vegetables. I wonder how much I've put in there. I might measure, in fact. Say about 100 grams. Check with my Asda 3-pound bamboo scales. 200 grams. Does that mean I'm getting 2 a day there? I mean, can you have 5 a day in one meal, or, you know? I got a pretty jug out of the, I don't know, yeah, BM stuff. But I just noticed it doesn't do grams, which to me is outrageous, you know? At the moment we still have to learn 2 measurements for the same thing. It just does my head in. I mean, everybody switched to pounds and pence the next day. The people aren't going to bring back the shilling and farthing. I don't know. I think I'll just use my other one then. Actually, I'm being daft because you weigh it, don't you? Not really do size. Okay, 120 grams. Hope this goes well. Oh, steady. Well, it's okay. I'll probably end up flinging more. Unless it's really good, you know, for it. Now you add my chicken. I add it all at the start. Tesco diced chicken breast fillet. They're too big though, I think. I want smaller ones. Next time. I'm not sure what to do here. I'm actually just going to add a bit as a sort of sacrificial cooking thing. And add the rest later, so that I'll probably be using more than I anticipated. I'll take enough for 2, which means about half a jar. Okay guys, defrost. I've got a new strategy now. I'll go high. I'm going to try this. I think it's too spongy. Yeah, it's too spongy. I'll try it. I'll go high for 3 minutes and then check it. There's my clip-on mic in the stain. I had the clip-on mic over there. This was £16 off at eBay. I'll do a review of it later. Okay guys, let's observe. Still got a bit to go. This is a new strategy by me, going on high. So that's 1 kilowatt of power. One good thing about this microwave, it's got a 34cm plate, which means you can get a pizza in it. It's a combi oven, it's got a convection oven in it. And to me that's probably the most important thing when looking for a microwave is the size of the plate, because it tells you what you can fit in it. But instead they tell you stuff like 30 litres. I mean, that's not really that much use to me, 30 litres. I'm not going to put 30 litres of liquid into my microwave, you know. I'd rather know, what's the plate size? Can I fit my full size pizza? Or do I need to go fun size? I'll do 2 more minutes and then I'll add the rest of the sauce. Here's my chilies, by the way. I mean, looks pretty good. But I can't say the same for the plant. It's taking a ton for the worst, I'm afraid. I don't know what happened. It's like I pulled a switch or something, a kill switch. Like 2 days it just disintegrated. I didn't pull these, I didn't take these off because I thought they were pretty. But then when it went like that, I was I better take them off. Maybe that's a burden on them. Yeah. Do these stay, fresh for a long time? I don't know. I'll try one. In fact, I'll try one just now. Yeah, I can taste the chilli in that. I think I've overdone it a bit. That's the hottest chilli I've ever tasted. My God. At first I was getting a bit, I thought, well, this is easy. But once you get into the juice, oh my God. I don't think I'm going to have a good sleep tonight. Yeah, I was also wondering, are these seasonal? I don't think so. I don't know. Oh, my tongue. Let's see. Yeah, it's looking good. I don't think I'll need more sauce. Yeah, it's coming up nice. I'll just pour in my original plan. Yeah, this is going to be good, guys. Let's hope it's a good one without any tears. Okay, start going low now, I think. I just want the sauce to. Go for a low, I said. Low 3 minutes. Oh, that. Can I get that? I'll need a different pen. Ah, that chilli was hot. Chilli pepper hot. That's not the name of a chilli, is it? Okay, let's go, guys. I was just looking at the chilies. It looks a bit like the African devil, but I don't actually know what it is. Oh my God, it's hot. Wow. Yeah, I'm going to go with that. It's a bit liquidy, maybe a bit too much sauce even, but everything looks cooked. Chicken's cooked. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Time for the pouring. Yeah, it looks quite nice. Let it stand for about 10 minutes because there's a lot of heat on it. Okay, it's time for the tasting. I mean, I think by the smell I can taste it in. Yeah, pretty much what I expect. Okay, sweet. Yeah, decent enough. At the moment I'll give it a 6 out of 10. It almost tastes a bit alcoholic. But yeah, it's alright. It's not a favourite, but could be a rota one, sure. I might try different brands of Hunter's chicken. But yeah, that's alright if the Greasy Spoon Cafe served me that, you know. Say, yeah, that was fine. Yeah. Chicken's turned out well, tender. The vegetables have a bit of life in them. It tastes a bit sort of factory. It's not magical. It feels as if it had a few other things that could be magical maybe. But it's alright. 6 out of 10. Probably one in my rota, Hunter's chicken. It's okay. Here's my new clip-on mic. I had it on over there. So, it's looking really good. It was only about £16 off of eBay, but Android can be quite awkward to get them to work on Android phones. You'll probably need the Open Camera app, in my opinion. And you need to switch on USB Go phone. But I'll do a review of it later on. Okay, goodbye.